rest with an acceleration of 10 seconds. That means our acceleration there is 10 meters per second square. Then I said, what is the velocity after 5 seconds? That means our time is 5 seconds. And by virtue of this sentence made in our question on the first line, we are having a ball falls from rest. A body falling from rest, that means u is equals to what? To 0. And what's the meaning of u? That's our initial velocity. That's u, which is equals to what? 0 meter per second. Now said, what is the velocity? That's the final velocity. That means from this formula now, that's v equals to u plus at. Now we've chosen this to to be what we use because of the fact that all our parameters are present in this formula. So our v is what we have to find. And our v will be equal to our u is what? That's 0 plus our k is what? The relation that's 10, and our t is what? Is 5. Then our v will be equal to what? 0 plus what? Plus 50. Therefore, our velocity equals to what? Equals to 50 meters per second. This will be a catapult, for us to another what? To getting another answer to the question asked in the calculations. That said, how far has it fallen by then with this what? With this velocity. Now that's how far. We have two things in physics. We have how far and how long. How far depicts distance, and how long connotes what? Connotes the time taken. Now, our how far will be how far will be equivalent to what? To our distance. And in symbol, we have it as what? As s. So from this formula, s equals to, you can easily apply v squared equals to u squared plus what? Plus 2as. Since our phi is here already, our u is known as 0. Our a is acceleration is given to us in the question, and our s is what we want to solve for. So our v is 50 squared equals to 0 squared, that's our u, plus 2 into brackets. Our a has been given to us, that's 10, times our s, that's what we calculate. Then we'll be having 50 squared equals 0 squared plus 2 times 10 times what? Times s. Then we are left with 50 squared equals to 20 s. Now if I go side by then we should be having 2,500 here equals to 20 s. Divide through by 20, then by 20. We have 20 cancel 20 here. 0 cancel 0, 2 here 1, 2 here is 125. Therefore, distance equals to 125 meters. So that's all.